can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore.
Welcome back to Adventures with Rosie, and welcome to Hokitika.
Yeah, so we've come over to the west coast of the North Island of New Zealand, notorious for its rain. If you didn't see the last video, we got stuck in the rain for a few days, drove each other crazy, and it looks like it's going to rain this week as well, right?
Yeah, weather forecast is not looking great.
Yeah, so we've come over for Easter. It's a 4-day holiday here in New Zealand, and we figure we need to be somewhere parked up. We don't want to be travelling around trying to find somewhere to park.
Yeah.
So yeah, parked up at the NZMCA park here in Hokitika. Some other kids here, which is great for Harvey to run around outside with, as you can probably hear. But it looks like we're in for rain, so yeah, we'll see.
All in this, I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't.
Alright, me and the girls are on a bit of a date this afternoon. Hey girlies, we're doing laundry. This is kind of a cool little laundromat. It's outdoors and looks like kind of a shipping container vibe. But yeah, outdoors, you just pay with your card and away you go. A little bit expensive, but the other laundromat here in Hokitika gets terrible reviews on Google, like 2-star reviews. Everyone just saying don't go there, don't go there, don't go there. This one, 4.9 stars. So here we are.
Hello to Mona, I mistook you for a dream. The engine glows, and I guess you always seem to know. Hello to Mona, I push back.
Here we are at the Hokitika Tree Top Walk.
Yeah, so this is about 15 minutes out of the town centre of Hokitika. Tree Top Walk, 20 metres up through all the trees. Check this place out.
We're all in this.
How are the legs after the tower?
Pretty jelly.
Yeah, that
I'm
tower.
not good with heights.
That tower was massive, and it swayed around in the wind. This next section here as well, there's a little cantilevered walkway that goes out that apparently sways in the breeze as well. So yeah, we're only here once, might as well do it.
Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
A little bit bouncy out here. Come out here, Mum. Come on.
It's fun.
There's nothing quite like a 3-year-old telling you to be brave and face your fears, to put things into perspective.
Got a good grip there, love?
Shut up. That was super fun. We had a good time, didn't we? Harvey's just been learning about the bush. Hey, we've been doing a module with Chikuta, learning all about moss and lichen and different birds and insects and trees and all the rest of it. So this has been really good.
So in terms of cost for the walk, $32 per adult, and kids under 5 are free, which seems to be the norm for most activities we've been doing. Now with our NZMCA, the New Zealand Motor Caravan Association membership we have, we get a discount, 30% discount, so knocked it down $10, so $22 each. Not bad considering, I guess, how much it would have cost to set this place up. But yeah, pretty enjoyable walk, like tons of native bush, birds. If you weren't from around the area or if you're from overseas, it'd be the perfect thing to do. It's also kid friendly and pushchair friendly, so the rails are quite high, and you can push pushchairs or wheelchairs around it, and kids can just run around on it, which is kind of cool. I thought it would be more like a swing bridge style, you know. But yeah, pretty decent value. About 45 minutes to do the entire walk. All right, I think we're going to go down to the cafe, find an ice cream, I think. Alright, so the rain has finally cleared. Where are we, Chelsea?
We're at the Hokitika Gorge Scenic Reserve.
Yeah, looks like a hour long walk, 2Ks, to see the famous Hokitika Gorge. Lovely blue water here apparently, pristine blue water. So yeah, we're going to go for a stroll and enjoy the sunshine while it's out. So this loop is about 2 kilometers in length, and the first part of it, the first sort of 4 or 5 minutes, is actually wheelchair friendly. So if you're in a wheelchair, you can still come and get a cool view of the blue water and the swing bridge, and then from there it gets a bit sort of steeper and rougher, but kind of cool. Pushchair and wheelchair friendly to the first lookout. Right, so on our way back from the gorge, we just stopped off at a small waterfall that leads into the big lake here called Dorothy Falls. And it's got some really amazing rocks, hey Jels?
Yeah, speckled and quite
yeah, they almost look like the sort of thing you'd make bench tops out of. Kind of interesting, we've only seen them in this specific river, like stream that runs into the lake, so don't know what it is about the area. Pretty neat though. Alright, trying something a little different on the Weber tonight. Chelsea picked up a butterflied chicken. So first time cooking a whole chicken in the Weber, but looking pretty tasty so far. Can't wait to try it. I don't quite know how to cook a whole chicken in the Weber, but it looks like an hour on the rack and you're good to go, so I guess we'll see. Well, pretty impressed with how the old Weber did the chicken, eh? Yeah, did a good job. Another option, another recipe for the old barbecue. I did it for about an hour 10, hour 15 at about 200 degrees. And that Weber the whole time held the heat, which surprised me. Set it once and it held 200 degrees for an hour, so sweet. I see why people bake bread and muffins and all sorts of them as well. So another recipe for the Weber.
It's Easter!
What did you get?
I got a Hokitika Easter egg and a pair of jammies. 2 stuff.
Well, happy Easter Sunday, everyone. I know you won't see this for a few weeks, sorry. I'm always behind on the editing, but it's Easter Sunday here in Hokitika. And typically when we were back home with our family, we'd get together with all the extended family and we would go Easter egg hunting, do a little Easter egg hunt for the kids. This year we're going to do rock hunting with the kids, and so yeah, we just found a nice little bush walk to do a bit of rock hunting. Yeah, so Chelsea and the kids have been busy painting rocks over the last few days, and we've had all that wet weather. She's gone ahead and hidden them, painted them like Easter eggs and Easter bunnies and that sort of thing, and the kids have a basket each, so let the rock hunt commence. Well, I'm getting a bit sick of this West Coast weather, to be honest. So tonight I'm pretending it's summer, put the awning out and get the barbecue going, even though it's raining. This NZMCA campground is getting super muddy. I don't know if you can see behind me. Mud here and all down here as well. This was just a lake the other day, so I think we're going to move on tomorrow, head up the coast, maybe find some firmer ground, maybe find somewhere drier, hopefully. It's been a good little base while we're exploring, but just having everything damp in the caravan and muddy gets a bit old after a while.
We are sick of this mud. Let's get out of here, Ruby.
It's Papa.
It's not.
Alright, well we've come north to Punakaiki, that's the Pancake Rocks. Quick pit stop here before we continue further north, and so far the rain's held up, eh?
Yeah.
So we gobbled down some lunch and now we're going to go and see these Pancake Rocks in the blowholes because it looks like it's about to rain any minute. So yeah, we can't escape the weather at the moment. Alright, well, a bit of a long day driving, but we have arrived in Westport, and the good news is we have sunny weather on the forecast. So this week we're going to check out some of the old coal mines in the area, the famous Denniston mine and mine site. So yeah, as soon as the sun comes out tomorrow, we're going to get out of here, explore some area, and yeah, check out what Westport has to offer. And then from here we're heading back up to Nelson in probably a week's time. We've also got Harvey's birthday around the corner, so plenty to stay tuned for. Thank you as always for watching. See you in the next video.